only one. No, got the chick I call her Katia. She be acting bougie, then she came through and tied me up.
Yep, bought another car. This one is a 2015 first year Porsche Macan S in a weird burgundy brown with tan interior with suede inserts, but it's an S. And it's the cheapest one I could find in Hawaii with low miles. So it's got 50,000 miles. I got it for 17.5. It's got no issues on the dash, but it's overdue on service, and she's filthy in and out. Not too bad. It does look like it was, well, once the bumper was repainted, because it's got a little weird mark in it. It looks like it was painted over. And tires are 3 years old. It does drive fine, but this front section, weird little scuffs and off alignment. But I do not take the bumper off on some of these, so it probably just needs the bumper to be relined. This is really bad. That's so bad, I don't even know if you can tell how bad it is. It's really bad, but like inside is okay. It's filthy, like that's bird poop. But inside it's cute. I don't know why it has wood. Look at that beautiful mahogany and beautiful mahogany steering wheel. Way too many buttons. I have no idea. That's like button confusion and even more button confusion. But yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be mine for the next year or two. Use it. Now they don't do autocross racing at the stadium anymore, but they're gonna do it at this vacant lot in the dirt. And this is a cheater car to bring. Perfect stance. It's got good tires on it already. Some Goodyear all-terrain sports. Oh no, they're all-season sports as I look at them. But you know, just get another set of rims and tires with some extra knobby on it. You know, it'd be good. Most part of it just be fun. I can keep racing until I get a car in the mainland. Yeah. So that's next. High mileage X5 loaner for 135,000 miles. It drives kind of good. That must be a tribute to BMW or the person that owned this car previously maintained it. Does anybody care anything? Oh wait, why do I have this BMW? How about that? My wonderful Porsche Macan died on the first day. No, it didn't die. Threw a check engine light, and the people I bought it from said if anything goes wrong with the car, they'll take care of it. And so they did. So that's good like that. All right. So nothing too special. It's a 2018 BMW M5, 3.5 liter X5. And yeah, so what's it like to enjoy that car? I don't know, it's a BMW. It actually drives really nice considering it has a lot of miles on it, 135,000. Not a BMW fan, it's my little loaner, so we shall see. Okay, ask your question again. What was your question? What was your question?
Let me try to remember.
You were saying something what? About accidents?
Yeah, if everyone drove Teslas, would we have car accidents?
Well, son, let's go to the auto salvage and see how many wrecked Teslas are there. Hello.
Hey. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? This is my little dance.
Did you notice I bought a transformer?
Transformer.
Does the car look different? You can't tell. Oh, you didn't notice.
What? A BMW?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's happening here?
The Porsche had a check engine light, and I called them, and they said bring it back, and they'll give me a loaner.
Whoa!
I know, kind of weird and nice at the same time.
Go for a ride.
Oh, not done yet. Oh, grand finale.